Hi guys, it's me Jimmy and welcome back to my channel. So in my last video, I unboxed the iPad Pro 11-inch 2020. So in this video, I'll be unboxing the Apple Pencil 2nd generation. Also later in this video, I'll be telling you how I got this Apple Pencil at a slightly cheaper price. So let's go. So once again, a disclaimer, I'm not a professional unboxer, so I'll just do this how I want to do it, okay? Here's the flap. Oh my god. That is so satisfying. Okay. We save this, okay? Here it is, no plastic. Oh, and then to open it, there's another flap. Okay. Nothing there. Okay, save this again because this is another 500. And when you open it, there's design by Apple. So I'm really documenting this. Next, we lift it up. So we have the pen over there, but let's look at this first. What's inside? Guys, I know I can't do it. Let's just shake it out. Okay, nothing inside. Another mga, I think this is about 300 pesos. So we have first Apple Pencil. That's what's in this. So it's an instruction manual, which is a short guide. So the others are more information. What's this? You know guys, I actually sometimes do read this. Just the English part, not the translations. Safety and handling, Bluetooth, battery, medical device interference, cleaning, ergonomic support. Next, Apple 1-year limited warranty accessory for Apple and Beats branded products only. More paperwork. And that's it. That's a 3 product. That's there. Now let's go to the main one, the Apple Pencil. Oh. It also has a flap actually. So there's the flap. Okay. This is the box. Nothing else. So another 1,000 pesos. And here it is. You can just slide it. And there you go, the Apple Pencil. Guys, it feels good in the hands. Yes. Okay, so now let's try to pair it with our iPad Pro. Here's the iPad Pro. How do you pair this? Okay, so turn on Bluetooth. Then welcome to Apple Pencil. Your Apple Pencil unlocks a whole new iPad OS experience, letting you annotate, draw, mark up, and edit in the apps you use every day. Scribble, create an instant note, switch tools with a gesture, and easily capture screenshots. Continue. Try Scribble. So I'm going to write Merry Christmas. How about that? I'm doing my worst handwriting. Continue. So double tap on your Apple Pencil to switch between the tool you're using and the eraser. Yes. Done. So there we have it. Okay, so now we're back to the part of the video where I tell you how I got this at a cheaper price. So I just like to say this ahead that I'm from the Philippines, and in the Philippines the retail price of an Apple Pencil 2nd generation is 7,990 pesos. Okay, and I got this at 6,650 pesos. Now, how I got this at a cheaper price, some people may not agree with how I did it, but I actually got this at Shopee. Yes, Shopee. So in the store where I bought this, it was 7,400 pesos. But Shopee at that time had a tech sale, so they had 500 pesos off, so which became 6,900 pesos. Then I had coins. I had Shopee coins. I had 200 Shopee coins. That became 6,700. Plus, the shop itself had a 50 pesos off with a minimum purchase of 1,000, so which brought it down to 6,650 pesos. And what I like about the shop is that it had free shipping. Whoa. Okay, so I know some of you may not agree with it. It's different for some people. Some people actually want to go to the store and actually check the product and test the product to see that it's working. But for me, it was okay because number one, it's definitely cheaper. And number two is, this isn't my first time buying in their store. So I actually also bought my AirPods second generation in their store. And this is already 1 year old plus, and it's still working. I had no issues with it. And that's it. So that's how we did it. Okay, some of you may think it's scandalous, but okay, you do what you gotta do. You do what you gotta do. So I'm probably going to put their link down below. This is not sponsored. They don't have enough subscribers to be sponsored. But I just wanted to put it out there so that people will know that vouchers, coupons, coins, discounts can go a long way. And also to check if it's legit, we can actually check it by going to the Apple coverage website by putting in the serial number. So this is it. Okay, so that's it for this video. Happy coupon hunting, happy discount finding, and that's it for this video. If you want me to do more reviews or anything, please comment it down below. If you like the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below any more suggestions. So that's it for this video, and see you on the next one. Bye.